Sister Orochi here. It's Beyblade unboxing time. Ah! My last videos have been complicated because no one's still liking it. Well, it's Beyblade unboxing time. New video. Give me the Beyblades. You unbox this one. Oh yeah, this is my sister. She is helping me unbox this vase. Oh yeah, unbox like a pro. Yeah, pro. See that? Yeah. Okay, Elise, I will unbox first. You just stay there.
Keep calm.
Guys. Camera girl, can you go closer here? Can you go closer here? Can you see this? This is called the free spin. It's called F230. And this is TB twin ball. This is the warrior wheel and the element wheel. You can see at the back that Bandit Gamble is a stamina type. Well, I think so because it says there. Time to fix it or build it. Whatever Baby G says. I'm a fan of Baby Geeks, so don't judge why I still play Ways. And I'm still young, people. I can still play Beyblades. I'm
And
not old.
his little sister is opening the other Beyblade box. And I am the eldest sister. And I am controlling the camera.
Or videotaping with it. Oh, look at this. Bandit Gamble, fully assembled.
Can you please show me that again?
It's Bandit Gamble. It has free spin. It's cool.
Completed. Okay, let's see
Look
for
at
the
the
others.
bacon. Look, the bacon spin. Even though, because it's a free spin. Even if I'm holding the tip.
Should you help your little sister? She might
Oh,
get
yeah,
a
I'll
little
help
problem in her boxing.
Unboxing.
Say
boxing.
hi.
Don't scream. This is my video. Oh yeah, on my second video, the second video I posted, the little girl that was crying was my little sister. Right now, right here, right now. She's the one. She was crying because I didn't let her do something, and I'm not telling what.
Sorry for all the mess in the background.
Yeah.
We're not finished cleaning.
Elise, don't bite it. Elise. Okay, I'll just help you unbox this box. BBG. You can fix that thing.
We'll come back. Oh, we'll come back on camera. So,
Why did you remove it? Just put it. No, excuse me. This is my sister. She's covering. Stop covering it.
we'll be back on camera because you're too
No,
long.
we're not being back in camera. That's dumb.
Really?
Yes.
At least don't show your face. It's scary.
Oh, look at
Let me
this one.
zoom in.
It can change. I think it can change modes. Never mind. Doesn't work.
Sometimes I miss the camera, but I'm facing the
Oh, it
video
does.
now.
It can change modes. See, guys. You can do this.
Elise,
It's pretty cool.
let's zoom in.
Oh yeah, it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. You can put it downwards and upwards.
Let's see how my little sister's doing. What is she doing? Sorry if I'm blocking the camera or not.
I think you are.
It's just my first time.
Well, you made the video.
We're kids. That's why we don't know how to make a video.
We do. Stop talking, Lauren.
I'm a kid, okay? I'm not good at
Stop
camera.
talking. Stop talking. You're gonna ruin.
Don't play with the plastic, okay? Don't play with the plastic.
Why are you breaking it?
What is that? What is it called? It's a tip. It's the tip.
Tippy.
What? There's the tips there.
Tip.
Why?
Guys, are you done fixing the bee?
No, just still. Oh, look at this! It's a defense ball.
Bola.
Ball.
Bola.
This is the new
Bola
completely
di
assembled
bola.
rock giraffe. Next is gravity. Oh, wait, why am I saying gravity destroyer? It's Grand Perseus. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Gracias.
Please show all the parts.
I think you all know the parts because you're all of you guys. I think are Beyblade masters.
Mostly the Beyblade geeks.
Yeah, they're my idols.
Beyblade.
Idol. Hey guys, look at this one. Grancy, this is my little sister's favorite bay. I think. I'm not
Let's
judging.
zoom. Oh, not that zoom. Okay.
Little sis, can you throw the garbage? Please.
Let's fix that later. And today we're doing a Beyblade battle with the two new Beyblade. This stadium, please explain it, brother.
It's a Dark Helm Stadium.
It is a very new stadium.
Go Bandit Genbu!
We're testing the base.
So cool, Bandit Genbu.
So we're going to test the bay with the two new bays. Okay.
Oh, look at that, Gravity
she ripped the
Perseus.
first one.
It
Let's do
is a stamina type, I think. Rip it again, little sis.
They're gonna have a bay battle.
Rock Giraffe versus Why am I saying gravity? Grand Cirrus. 3, 2, 1, let it rip! Go, Rock Giraffe! I believe in you. That's what. Yeah, that's what. Can you please stop?
So I'm just gonna zoom in the bay.
Oh! Rock Giraffe wins this match! Grand Cirrus, no.
You guys are blocking
No.
everything.
No. Next is, Elise, would you use Rock Giraffe? Now I'm gonna use, it's right there. I'm using Bandit Genbu.
Oh, are those new bays? 3 new bays?
Yeah. I just unboxed it, dummy. 3, 2, 1, let it rip!
I never knew there's a 3 bays.
Bandit
Who's the
Genbu.
other one?
The other one's Rock Giraffe.
Yeah, but kanina yung isa?
That's mine.
Also yours, yeah, so you have 2 bays. Okay.
I think so.
Grand
No.
Citrus, go Grand Citrus, go Grand Citrus. Go Grand Citrus, go Grand
Grand
Citrus.
Cirrus isn't playing.
Who's playing?
It's Rock Giraffe and
Who's
Bandit Genbu. Bandit Genbu wins! Okay. Peace out, guys. I think. Peace out.
And by the way, this Elijah, which is
360.
360.
Hey!
And this Elise.
Baby.
Bye!